Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my youngest daughter's hair. For a start, make sure to like this video, share and comment down below. Before I start doing my daughter's hair, I want to teach you guys how I did the little flowers. Let's start. So I already made some of the flowers, so now let me teach how to make them. So these are all they left, but the flowers look like this. There are three of, I don't know how they call in English, but in my language we call punhos. São 3 punhos, porque eu tenho certeza que algumas pessoas que falam português vão assistir esse vídeo. Então são 3 punhos. There are 3 little things. Take one, put together, 1, 2, and take another one, put together like 3. You put this way, and the color except to you. How you gonna make them look like? Do this, and you tie with your fingers like this, and you put the rubber band like this in the middle. So you tie. So it needs to be really tight like this, and then it's gonna look like this, like a little flower. See? And it's gonna look so cute on your daughter's hair. Okay, so all the flowers are made. So for now, let me start doing my daughter's hair.
This is so good.
You like?
Yes.
Say bye to the camera.
Bye.
So guys, this hairstyle took me 1 hour and 30 minutes to do it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.